Controlling the loft with guide curves. Let's build basically like a motorcycle handle type thing. We're going to take two circles, and I'm going to draw a circle at 0, 0, 0, and a radius of 4. And now I'm going to make another circle at 0, 0, and let's do it at a radius of 8. Height of 8. And a radius of 4. So now we have two circles 8 units apart from each other, right directly above each other. I'm going to draw one of my guides. One of my guides is a straight line, and it's going to go from the quadrant of one circle up to the quadrant of the other circle. Now, for a construction line, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. It's going to help me snap the things a little bit more efficiently. So I'm just going to go from quadrant and to quadrant. Now, I'm going to put, just as a construction, another circle just so I can snap to it. It's not necessary, but it makes life a little easier and faster. So here I'm going to go 0, 0, and I'll put it at 4. I'll make a radius, say, of 6. So now what I want to do is I want to run a line from here up to here over to here, and that's going to be a 3D polyline. And I'm going to start at the end point. I'm going to go over to my quadrant, pick right on a quadrant on the circle, and I'm going to go up to the end point of this line. Okay. Now, I'm going to do a p-edit on this particular line, and I'm going to spline that curve a little bit. Alright. Now we really don't need this circle anymore, so I'm going to erase that. And I really don't need this line anymore, so I'm going to erase that. Now I have my two cross sections, and I have my two lofting guides. The lofting guides must touch both the starting and the end cross section, and they have to touch any other cross sections that go through, and we must use a smooth fit. Now let's go up to Loft. We'll pick on each cross section. I'll hit enter. I'll come down and choose guides. I'll pick on a guide, and notice now it makes it curve to that guide, but that's only on one side. It makes the other side curved as well. To make one side straight, I'm going to pick the other guide, and it's straightened out that side. I'm going to hit enter, and now we end up making per se a contoured grip. And I could have more polylines in here if I wanted to. If I wanted to have a certain type shapes or whatever, I could have just put more circles in and done whatever radiuses I liked. But here we have controlling the loft with guide curves.